everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to play One Step Forward, Three Steps Back by Olivia Rodrigo with your right hand. I'm first going to show you how verse 1 sounds and then I'll go through each individual line and I'll do that for every verse until we've learnt the whole song. If you'd like to hear how the song sounds all the way through, then skip to the time on the screen and it will take you to the end of the video where I've combined all of the verses. But otherwise, here is verse 1 and I hope you enjoy the video. So the first line of verse 1 is so it is D, B, D, B, E, F sharp, E, A, G, F sharp, E, D. So again that is the second line is so it's D, B, D, B, E, F sharp, E, A, G, F sharp, E, D. So it is the exact same as the first line. So again it is the next line is D, B, D, B, D, B, D, B, A. And the next line is so we're playing the higher A 5 times, B, and then down to E, D, 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 B, D, B, D, B, D, B, A. And the final line of verse 1 is so it's A 4 times, G, G, F sharp, E, E, D, D. So again that is so that is verse 1. Let's play it again. Now we can move on to the chorus and this is how it sounds. So the first line of the chorus is so we're playing B, D, E, F sharp, A, E, D, A, B, D, E, F sharp. The second line is D, next sign is which is the exact same as the first sign, and then the next sign is which is D, E, F sharp, D, F sharp, D, F sharp, D, E, F sharp, E, D, B, A, D, F sharp, G, F sharp, E, D. So again that is so that is the chorus. Let's play it again. Now we can move on to verse 2, and this is how it sounds. The first line of verse 2 is so it's D, B, D, B, E, E, F sharp, F sharp, E, E, A, 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 G, F sharp, E, D. So again that is the next sign is D, B, D, B, D, F sharp, B, B, A. And the final line is E, F sharp, and then A played 5 times, B, A, G, F sharp, E, D. So that is verse 2. Let's play it again. So after verse 2, you can play the chorus again, which we've already learnt, and then you can move on to the bridge, and this is how the bridge sounds. The first line of the bridge is so it's D, E, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, E, D, E, G, 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 F sharp. The second line is D, E, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, E, D, E, E, F sharp, B, D, E, F sharp, E. The next sign is D, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, E, D, E, G, 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 F sharp. And the final line of the bridge is D, E, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, E, D, E, E, F sharp, F sharp, B, D, E, E. So that is it for the bridge. Let's play it again. So the final part to play is the chorus again, which is slightly different to the previous chorus that we played. So I'm just going to play it for you now. So the first line of the final outro chorus is so that is the same as what we've played before. B, F sharp, A, E, D, A, B, D, E, F sharp. The next line is D, E, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, A, E, 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 F sharp, E, D, 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 D. The next line is so that's a line we've played already before again, and then the next line is so again we've already played that final line before. I'll just go through it just because it's the last line. So it's D, E, F sharp, D, F sharp, D, F sharp, D, E, F sharp, E, D, B, A, D, F sharp, G, F sharp, E, D. So that is it for the chorus, and that is everything for this song. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you found it useful, please let me know by leaving a thumbs up or a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.